imagine being able to get a ton of jobs and a ton of money by simply doing all the work from home. Do you want to experience the next level comfort by becoming a millionaire while you're laying in bed or lounging on the couch? Well, then be prepared, because that's exactly what I'm showing you guys today. So type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now the pandemic has slowed down all of our lives, and now that things are starting to get better, the world is starting to open up again slowly. But just imagine going back to the hassle of commuting and interacting and stressing about your 9-to-5 job. It's exhausting. You just want to keep staying at home, keep working from home. But because the world is changing, chances are you're going to lose your work from home opportunities. But what if I told you I prepared several websites today that's gonna help you just continue working from home without worrying about the pandemic taking away this advantage. So it's free, it's worldwide available. I know you guys are gonna love it, so make sure you stay tuned and let's jump right into it. Now, our first website is called Kelly Services. Kelly Services is a staffing agency with the main goal of wanting brighter futures for all, as they say over here, okay? Work with the industry leader who's breaking down barriers to help people connect with meaningful work and companies. Prepare for what's next. Now feel free to explore the page. You can go on a little tour if you want to, discover and just know more about it. And as we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're gonna see the career section, and under that section I want you guys to click on find a job. You're then going to be directed to this page where you're now going to find jobs that you can actually take up or apply to so you can make money online. And as you can see, you have the advantage of using this search bar, so you can just look for job openings that you want to maybe try out and test out. With Kelly Services, you can provide what you want and look for the jobs that you really like. Through this, you can actually commit to the job because it allows you to use your potential. So now, as soon as you've done that, you see all the jobs and everything like that. It's amazing. The categories are just vast. There are so many job categories. You're really not going to miss or lose any job opportunities. So I highly suggest you go with them to ensure security of doing an overall good job, because Kelly Services is really great. So that really is it for Kelly Services, which means we can move on to our second website. And our second website is actually called Tech Jobs. Now, to give you a little bit of a gist of what Tech Jobs has been doing, it's already been up and running for so many years now. They've proven themselves to be an excellent bearer of astonishing opportunities, and they are widely available to anyone who is looking for job openings. And as you can see on their homepage, Tech is dedicated to helping each other create and deliver amazing customer experiences. To quote their little description, pull back the curtain for some of the world's most iconic brands, and you'll find people and technology of tech. We are the friendly faces and advanced technology solutions at the heart of the customer experience. And with all of that, you can become a positive light that can provide aid to customers in need through marvelous customer service and customer relations. So I want you guys to click on this button that says work from home, and you can see that on the upper part of the page, and then you are going to find yourself on this web page where you're gonna find out more details on their work from home opportunities. It's the same with Kelly Services. You're basically gonna use a search bar. You're gonna find the perfect career path for you. Then you have to remember, okay, everything is aligned to your benefit. So 5 to 7 hours every day. You're not gonna need a degree. It's just super easy to do. There are very few requirements only. And there's a lot of jobs to choose from. Anyway, I'm sure you guys are going to find the perfect job for you. So when you click on this button that says view all work at home jobs, it's going to bring you to this page where you can just scroll through and just look at the perfect job opportunity for you. And then you're going to click on this green button right here that says learn more for maybe a particular job. And the button speaks for itself. You're going to learn more about that job that you've chosen to be able to, know more about it and see if it fits you. I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. Now on to the third website. It's called Appen. Appen is basically a platform. Okay, Appen is basically a platform that offers AI related tasks that can be provided by search engines or social media platforms. When you visit their page, you're gonna see that Appen offers world-class training data in the goal of having confidence in launching AI projects. As they say over here, they have over 25 years of experience. They claim to be the data for AI lifecycle leader, to even quote further, with thousands of successful projects in data sourcing, data annotation, and model evaluation by humans, we enable the most innovative companies with AI projects to succeed. Now, the jobs here at Appen can be part-time or full-time. They can be accessed from your own home. It's remote. You don't need long hours. You just have to finish the task assigned to you. Plus, Appen limits the usage of mobile phones. So it's a huge plus to people who just, find working on the phone to be uncomfortable, working on a very tiny screen. And sometimes it's also a lot of work. However, working on the phone, it still can be super beneficial at times. So when I'm in the mood to work, I can just go on my phone. And now I want you to go to the bottommost part of the page here on Appen and click on jobs below the company section. And as soon as you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you can now discover a huge variety of job opportunities waiting for you. And you have freedom to apply for any of the projects that you want, long-term or part-time or short term. And lastly, you also have the freedom to push through and do surveys, data collection, where they are going to record your voice on your mobile device. And all of these career paths are just in line with what you want and making money online. So just choose what fits you best and you're not going to have a problem at all. Now that we're done with Appen, let's proceed to the fourth platform, or the third platform, which is called LiveOps. Now, LiveOps coins themselves as the modern contact center with 3 pillars of their services, which is virtual, flexible, and efficient. As you can see over here on their main page, LiveOps does not just satisfy customer expectations, they exceed them every time with flexible, scalable, and virtual contact center solutions from the nationwide LiveOps agent network. Becoming an agent for LiveOps has a ton of benefits. With the name, you can find them all by just, going through the whole website, because everything is just handed to you. For example, you have LiveOps strive to develop better services every day as they aim to vastly improve people's lives, since they are a people-powered business. You are a part of that, and they work tirelessly on behalf of their entrepreneurial agents, dynamic enterprise clients, and dedicated employees. And as soon as you're just contented with the information that you know, don't waste any time. Click on the yellow button right here that says become an agent. After doing so, just click on the apply button and get started as soon as possible. Remember, the sooner the better, so apply right now. Before we finish up, if you're having fun with today's video, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's head back to the video. So our final website that I'm going to show you in today's video is called Lionbridge. Right off the bat, you're going to see that Lionbridge has been working for 45 years. Already, with 25 years at the forefront of their field, they're more than ready to localize everything and carry out their mission as a whole. So on this page, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, click the section for join our team. As soon as you do that, you're going to be taken to this page where you're gonna sign up to any of these job openings that's available. You can become a corporate associate where you can be a part of what makes them run, or be a part of the translations, and agencies where you can lend your voice in becoming a Lionbridge partner or become an interpreter, or you can share your expertise in understanding when it matters most. And lastly, you can become part of the gaming team where you can use your passion to deliver amazing gaming experiences around the world. Just choose whatever you want, whatever career path it is that you want to pursue, and it's all up to you. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.